Benchmark 2. So go to the new Neurius Commentary Project Manager. We're going to go to Benchmark 2. Let's start with textual division for the Aeneid. At this stage, you need to submit to me to the assignment on Jupyter either the zip file that you may have sent or the link, and that's even better, to the files that you sent for each individual line. To rehearse, there's that instructional video for you. All you're creating is how many lines you got, maybe 12, maybe 14 different files named correctly. Look at that right there. AEN, right? So check it, check yourself before you wreck yourself. And you're going to submit that to the Jupyter assignment that says benchmark 2/SAT prep. So students who opted not to, they owe me an hour and a half SAT prep. And these assignments, BT dub, getting bigger. All right, in terms of weight. Benchmark 2 for the lexical division. It also works for Pliny. Well, here's what we're doing. Lexical division, you have an instructional video here. If you don't have a name, if you don't have a little file, so you got little files right here, then Miss Ocasio, you're going to help out Miss Ganotis. Make sure that we're all set. By tomorrow, you're going to have, well, at least items done and maybe a game. You should probably do a game too. If you wanted to move ahead to benchmark 3, you could. All right. And then for morphosyntax, I've done the instructional video right here. Here's your passages. Miss Dent, I know you and Miss Harris worked well before on 788 to 800. I need your skills to just tidy up for Miss Abdelhadi and help her with this. We want to bounce y'all around to make sure we got that done. So you'll be submitting your assignment to the Jupyter assignment. It'll be tomorrow. It'll be due on Tuesday. Pliny, here you are. Haven't forgot about you. You got a two-parter. It's the same, and there's an instructional video right here. You all have files. If you do it right, if you've done benchmark 1, you got all your vocabulary set in proper form, piece of cake. If you haven't, well, it's hard cake. You got to get caught up. That's the 2A instructional video, but you also have 2B because you're creating a game. I gave you the link to it. It's all in the file that you pull up right here. And don't try and pull it in last minute. This is stuff where you got to complete it to get the credit. You got to complete it to get the activity. So there's benchmark 2, and then there's benchmark 2B example. So if you're caught up, piece of cake, but do not get behind. So these assignments, except maybe the lexomorphosyntax one, these assignments could be done not too much time. I will be after school tomorrow. I will be here on Tuesday, and I'll be even after school on Tuesday. But we don't have much time because I found out we have finals week. So that means we're cutting off instructional time a little bit. And big project, but super abimus. We shall overcome. So go to the spreadsheet, go to the assignments, click on the video, get what you need. And remember, you're great.